Right guys, I thought I just needed a video of this. It's quite an interesting little job that came into me. This is a Mercedes SLK compressor, about a 2002. And these are AMG wheels, apparently. They look genuine, but they're not right for this vehicle. The offsets are all wrong. So what they've done is they've put these big spacer rings on here, yeah, and one of the wheels fell off. I imagine because this inner diameter here doesn't fit over the spigot on the disc. Now, the problem being here is that when you do that, you overstress your bolts because they have to be longer bolts, and also because it's not hub centric, it turns the wheel into a 50p piece and it moves. What I didn't expect, because this car came to me with one wheel already off, was this. Well, this is a spacer ring, right? And it's about, I would say, almost an inch thick. What I didn't expect was this, when I took the other wheel off. And this is another spacer plate. And as you can see here, it's much bigger than the spigot, yeah, or the hub. And also, it's been siliconed in place. I've never seen anything like it, if I'm being honest. And the bolts were literally this long. And they're not even straight, because they've been moving. I can't stress enough how, bad ideas these are, yeah, to say the least. Yet to double them up and then double your length of bolt, which isn't actually probably even long enough for the amount of space, is just, it defies belief, and it's just dangerous. And it's just another in a catalogue of weird jobs that I've had this week. I'm going to make more videos of these kind of things, I think. I think people need to be educated in what's safe and what's not. But this is not safe at all, whatsoever. I mean, I'm surprised they're still alive, if I'm being honest. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.